Now let's proceed to the next question. What is the gradient of the line 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0? What is the gradient of the line 7x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0? What is the gradient? Okay. Now, before you can determine the gradient of this line, you will have to write this equation in slope intercept form. Listen to the explanation again. Before you can determine the gradient of this line, you have to write this equation in slope intercept form. So, in slope intercept form, this is how the equation will look like. Y equals to mx plus c, where m is the gradient and gradient is also the same thing as slope. M is the gradient, the coefficient of x is the gradient, and c is the intercept. Okay, even though we are not interested in the intercept. So let us write this equation in this form. I'm going to have minus 5y equals to minus 7x minus 3, because this negative 7x will cross the equals to sign is going to change to negative, and 3 plus 3 because the equals to sign is going to change to negative 3. So divide by negative 5, this over negative 5, this over negative 5, and this over negative 5. I'm going to have y equals to 7x all over 5 plus 3 over 5. Okay, so if you compare this with this, if you compare this equation with this equation, you will determine that the coefficient of x is the gradient, and the coefficient of x is what? 7 over 5. So the gradient of this line is 7 over 5. M equals to 7 over 5. So the correct option to that question is option A. Option A is correct. Okay, so let us proceed to the next question. Okay, consider the Venn diagram on the board. This is the Venn diagram. P represents pharmacist, that is, this circle that you see here represents pharmacist, and C represents smart people, and F represents my friends. Now, based on what we have on the board, which of the following is a valid conclusion from this diagram?
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.